this is somebody else where you now went like basically across the aisle. Shocking Vibes. All right. How did you link with Patrick Rabbits over with Shocking Vibes?
Well, when I just started going to Penthouse, Shocking Vibes used to work out of Penthouse. So when Patrick Roberts and Beenie Man and Tonto Metro and Nico Kirk and stuff and all them used to come through, we were all like a family, you know, because Patrick is such a joker too, you know. He is really, really mischievous and mischievous. Oh, wow. Mischievous. Yes. And, you know, we were just one big family. And then eventually there was Music Works across from Penthouse in the same yard. So after Music Works, after Gussie left and went on to build an empire down the road, Patrick Roberts took over that building. So we were always side to side, hanging with each other, being a family and stuff. And so I used to go over there and record like I don't remember if I recorded No Getting Over That Rainbow or I Wanna Run to You. Ooh. A lot of people don't even know them Shocking Vibes song they know. Or the rhythm they go. Oh my gosh, it was one of them simple rhythms. I know when you look at me. But yeah, so we were just working with each other. And then when Shocking Vibes now moved their headquarters and went to build their empire further up the road, you know, I was still around them from time to time. And then after I left Penthouse, you know, Shocking Vibes grabbed me again, you know. So, you know, it was like smooth. It was so easy working with Patrick and, you know, the Shocking Vibes crew.
Because I know one song in particular, I even had to go back today and listen to it, was the Beenie Man song.
Bounce, 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 bounce. But I got them just really want me. Yeah.
When I went back and listened to it, I said, holy smokes. You know when you listen to a song and you just hear it in passing, but then you really sit down and listen to it, I said, listen, this is really Twiggy. It's almost like, that song was almost like a combination song with you and him.
And actually, I started out just doing vocals, but then by the time we're done, Patrick, they said, no, man. No, sir. This is like a combination song, yeah. And a lot of people all over the world that hears that song, and when they find out it's me, they say, yeah. They always speak of it as a combination song. You know, with other song, which that one I can understand, but there's another song that I did that people consider a combination song, and I'm like, it's not a combination. I did Tyrone Bobby G. Chuck from Mikey Spice. Like a screw into the it's all right. And everybody plays that song as a combination song. And I'm like, if we didn't know say a combination, we would have do some like extra special things. You know, but it's so yeah. You know, I have the tendency to overwork myself sometimes.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.